How fast will I lose weight on keto? What to expect dieting on keto? Weight loss is one of the most popular uses of the ketogenic diet these days. If you're using keto to drop pounds, you are probably wondering how fast you can expect to see results. Since everyone is different, it's hard to get an exact answer, but this article will cover the average weight loss rate you can expect, tips for successfully losing weight on keto, and how to avoid common weight loss mistakes. Weight loss on keto. Everyone is different, everyone's body is different, which means the weight loss rate for each person is different too. Your individual weight loss rate can vary depending on 4 main factors. Your health situation. Are you overweight? Do you have thyroid problems? Do you have insulin resistance? Is your metabolism fast or slow? Your overall health determines how fast you lose weight. For instance, if you have any hormonal or metabolic issues, the process might be slower than expected. That's okay. Your body composition. How much fat do you have to lose? What's your muscle mass? What's your BMI? For instance, if you have a lot of excess weight, you'll likely experience faster weight loss in the beginning. Your daily habits. Your daily habits make or break your weight loss efforts. Are you eating clean keto foods or high-fat junk foods? Are you watching out for hidden carbs? Are you exercising? The energy you spend on a daily basis and the quality of your food impact how efficiently your body burns fat. Your individual fat adaptation period. Remember, your body needs time to become fat adapted, and that time depends on your metabolism. For instance, if you're coming off a standard American diet (SAD) and your adult body has never run on ketones before, your adaptation period might take a little longer. You'll only experience the true weight loss effects of keto when your body is actually running on ketones. For example, someone with a slow metabolism and a lot of fat tissue to lose who doesn't exercise enough will take longer seeing weight loss on keto compared to someone with a normal metabolism, slightly overweight, who starts exercising 4 to 5 times a week along with doing keto. The key is to stay consistent and focus on eating healthy keto-friendly foods. Treat the keto diet as what it is, not simply a diet, but a lifestyle and metabolic shift in your health. With that being said, what we can tell you is how to start off on the right foot. Setting yourself up for weight loss success. Before you embark on your keto weight loss journey, it's important to get the basics right. Some people think cutting carbs is enough to enter ketosis, but this isn't always the case. It's important to make sure you're actually running on ketones instead of carbs, otherwise you're not going to burn fat or lose weight and you'll get discouraged. So how do you make sure your cells are running on fat? Figure out your keto macros. Use the keto calculator, located at the end of this post, to get your personal keto macros. Having a nutritional target based on your body composition will make it a lot easier to enter and remain in ketosis and lose weight. Give your body time to get in ketosis. This usually takes anywhere between 2 to 7 days. Before then, you won't be truly losing weight on keto. Test your ketones. Testing your ketone levels is simply the best way to track if you're in ketosis or not, at least in the beginning. The most accurate tool is a blood ketone meter. If your levels remain above 0.5 moles per liter, then you're in nutritional ketosis. Eat a clean ketogenic diet. The quality of your food matters, not just your macros. Sure,